Yeah, it's 2024. And I'm going to be honest, it was my New Year resolution to start a YouTube channel. And after 5 months of procrastination and back and forth, here I am, finally recording an intro. So, hi, welcome to Dot Motion Design. So, this channel is all about 3D design and animation using Blender. I'll mostly be focusing on modeling, texturing, lighting, composition, and post processing. And we'll dive into different categories like low poly renders, realistic renders, hard surface modeling, some sculpting, some geometry nodes, and so on. And these are going to be fairly beginner friendly, so all the people who are starting in the world of 3D can follow along. I have a bunch of cool things lined up for you guys, so stay tuned and see you in the next one.